In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect dropship.io to your Shopify store using Zapier. This setup helps automate your dropshipping workflow and makes managing your store much more efficient. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Zapier homepage. Once you're logged into your Zapier account, look near the top of the screen and click on Create. This will allow you to start building a new automation workflow, also known as a Zap. Next, select Copilot if it appears in your Zapier dashboard. Inside the prompt field, type Connect Shopify and Dropship.io, then continue. Zapier will now generate suggested automation steps for connecting both platforms together. Next, click Add All Steps to Zap to automatically create the workflow structure. Now focus on the Shopify section. Click on Shopify and choose the trigger event you want to use. For example, you can trigger the automation when a new order is created or when a product is added. After selecting the trigger, sign in to your Shopify account if prompted and authorize the connection. Once Shopify is connected, move to the dropship.io section. Select dropship.io from the available app list and choose the action or trigger event you want to automate. Now, sign in to your dropship.io account and approve the necessary permissions. After connecting both platforms, click Configure to customize your automation settings. This is where you can fine-tune how Shopify and Dropship.io interact with each other based on your workflow needs. Once everything is configured, click Test to make sure the integration works correctly. Zapier will run a quick test to confirm the automation is functioning properly. If the test is successful, click Publish to activate your Zap. Your Shopify store and Dropship.io account will now work together automatically through Zapier. This can help automate product management, order workflows, and other dropshipping tasks more efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Dropship.io to Shopify using Zapier. Thanks for watching and goodbye.